This investment was made specifically for Muslims. What are we talking about today? We're talking about Sukuk, and we're going to be looking at a special Sukuk fund, the Franklin Sukuk Fund. Before we get onto why it's actually special, this is day 3 of our 30-day series looking at a different Sharia compliant investment every single day. And I think by the end of 30 days, you may be halfway there to being an expert on Sharia compliant investing. So Sukuk, what is it? A Sukuk is a halal version of a bond, and a bond is just a piece of debt. So a Sukuk is kind of like a piece of debt structured in a way that's similar to it, but isn't it. But today we're looking at the special Sukuk fund, the Franklin Sukuk Fund, which is up over 6% from the start of this year till now already. Some years this fund has gone up over 10% in a single year, whereas other bad years it has gone down by over 5%. Now Sukuk aren't as volatile as other asset classes like gold, like equities. Generally they'd be considered the safer part of your portfolio. But just as with all investments, it does come with risk and you can lose money. So why is this Sukuk fund special? What makes it special different to other Sukuk funds? Well, this Sukuk fund is currency hedged, meaning the value of your investment isn't affected by foreign exchange movements as much as other Sukuk funds. So if you are really plugged into the investment scene, you would have noticed that the HSBC Sukuk Fund and the iShares Sukuk Fund haven't done well this year, and that's because of foreign exchange movements. The Franklin Sukuk Fund, because it has FX hedging on it, it doesn't have that effect, and that's why it's actually up 6.4% so far this year already. So what kind of things is it invested into? Well, it's invested into Sukuk. Some examples are the Republic of Philippines Sukuk, Saudi Electric Sukuk, and DP World, a big ports company. It's not invested into the companies, remember, it's just invested into Sukuk from those companies. And what kind of countries are we looking at for their investments? Majority are from Saudi Arabia, then it's got the UAE, also Indonesia, Kuwait, Malaysia. One thing to know about this fund though, it is a bit expensive with fees of 0.9% per year.